Osahene Boafo Ansah III ne wompanyin ene ne gina amanim ha ene school fo ne echichafo ene school fo ne adofo a yeto nsafre mo e mamu nyina akwa aba soronko ne tirinkwa afiri mutena yo ebehia wo ahimfi na Krontihene ahimfi wo Akuapem Akuapem na obeka se den na ani gwada te ya na nanom te egwamui bitia ne se yenganya awohosono bia wofi America ne kuro ba ko ana ase ne kuro bata ba ko fe Virginia State na wo university fo ana ase school fo wosua ade na 𝘼𝙧𝙤𝙤 akoso beyamfi ne hangmani nka beyamfi 𝘼𝙧𝙤𝙤 na ayewan wahura na as work kwa worke ne mai wo film ana ase ne yebeka se film so na ema workwetwe atwetwe won ba ebibirim ha na wo ba nso yese wo ba nsapan wo dwuma huru bebre a woridi na mense masobra akiri yade nyina beda adia na ebeka akirem ya bai na oye bibia na awrade ahuma na eyeye eni nti ebefre teacher Mabel na odi akwa awrade anim owie me a na nanom so de mpanyin de bema wo ti na akia me mo so maye mo kra ti ebefre teacher Mabel na odi akwa awrade anim tin yeda obi biara ase yo sana mekan no enedwumedi no ye Virginia State University for wobeboa Akuapem na ebi aka Ghana man ene den e ka kire mu se beyamfe 𝘼𝙧𝙤𝙤 a wo fi ase bai na na edi kan esan se ne college bo fi pamnti ya ne won kwotena ase ya nhihye se school fu a wo ba fi eho aba no wo beba na won so abesua ade wo kuroduam ga na yenso edumre a yebekọ won ho nso a won apa obi na won akọ na won akọ na won nan ase na won akosua ade nti eno no ye nkaboma ye ne university fu nyan any college PCE ye nyan to ho atusu ya bien school for who am boys or ba school mu bayan and seni one mubedi sawoso no work na watchere adefa ne sana ye school for ahokeka efa wo wie no so call school for the blind kohwe sana won so wosua adefa na wokoche won niema eti nyina ye school sam sana da Osahene Boafo Ansah komaso ye school sam na wobai no so afi ba wobai no wodi dwumadi kasi bi bae obese wobedon obeye afu eniti na yen pesa ba ko a ewo Akuapem mu awfra ne 10 kwanta se mu bi afa kofodi akwanso a ewo kuru bi awfra 10 kwanta wokọ ho won amon asasi toturu se won fa meye afu na eda won komaso no se na no bai beba ana se school fo so betuma kosua ade wo ho eba so a anere nche meda 10 kwanta hene no adi na mode aseda ama no ebi se sebe ye nyina yesi etere kropon kroduam ha na biribi ba na ya nchicha na ohene ni Akuapem endi ni ye nti yesere mara ere nche mede 10 kwanta hene beba ono so ye de dwumani bi akoma no odanda no ho saforo kuro ba akonso ya wo kofodi akwanso munim saforo mutwa amampro bi kakra pembo se kuro no so won so ye ne won di sa wo so biribi ba ye be pia ama won na enye se ne mari nyina be ka kuro duam ha eye nana ani suade hu se obia benya ne cheso ana ne so de nkakra mama musa mo nana Krontihene Symbolic yo yadamase papa eye baby engadu no yade ofana etoso abie no beba wakase ane den eye wobai no ye ma won fie din ana se Ghana din obi akura ni din fi baby a wo fi bai no abrofo din na won aba na ese ye de won kan ye hu ni nti ye ma won fie din na na edi kan ye je da wo no fi won chen na ye de ama nti so wo kwasi da na ama wa kosua o oberman so ya na ye de kwasi akan na ye de na akan no so abata ho oboni se name na wokwa won so de akodi adanse ye ma wa danse din ngoma se ye de won afa saa ntitiwi mu ani tie du sabe na Osahene na nkasa de ngoma no be hye won sa se na ye bo asua osofo mayenga subo card no yesu ye card a won aye Osahene nsa hyase na wode akodi adanse wo ba bia wo bekọ no ekuro mu na mafu yeni o atrasio boko abusu adudu orikwe mukwa mufra nyamame abusu adudu orikwe mukwa mufra nyamame Adie nyame ya mami o baba nyame ya mami adie nyame ya mami baba nyame ya mami adie nyame ya mami o baba nyame ya mami abusu adudu orikwe mukwa mufra nyama abusu adudu orikwe mukwa mufra nyama adie nyame ya mami o adie nyame ya mami adie nyame ya mami o adie nyame ya mami tabia uma musem ya otabia Na ọchịa meka ne sɛ ɔtaa bia ehu nsu a ɔnka sɛ yɛ nsu ohu nsa nso a ɔnka sɛ ɔyɛ nsa ɔmɛyɛ aza kalokalo yo ɛnde nkɔ akyiri nɔkware turodo. Yo, uncle Osahene or the ne Esubo Moma Beman. Your certificate here. Next, we are now the whole Asheno. And Otabia. Okay, yo, what can I say for you? Yo. Yo, nti yes, next. Efuya enima.
This is water. When you see water, it is water and nothing else. Same way, this is alcohol. When you see alcohol, it is alcohol and nothing else. Okay. So you go for your certificate from.
Hello. Anybody a Krontihene of Akuapem Hey, wa samekan. Mama musame, wa bonduku preko. Mekaje mse anybody Krontihene ding a wongoro ho kura. Nti sam hu sam won ayi. The friend that woda so bo anare. Woda so bo. Hey,
beautiful.
Yo. Ibia adwa
ebia. This is water which signifies life. So when you see water, it is water and nothing else.
Yes, drink it. Yeah.
Likewise, if you see alcohol, it is alcohol and nothing else.
Great. Yo, wonga wi adwa bia amane to so ya bien no. Ohina kasa de ne abudin krata beman na okoni kuruma o de akodi adanse. Oh wow. Mama musame. Mama musam ade ye feni o. Osame ka say eyedin kase ono so okura oda so bo. Mama musam. Abrewa odoso na kasa na waba no. Yeah. Mama musam bi we. Ne ho ayefe. Ne ho ayefe.
Ajua every year. This is water for life. When you see water, it is water and nothing else.
Likewise,
this is alcohol. If you see alcohol, not water, but alcohol. So your yes should be yes.
Differentiate.
Your no should be no. Okay. Okay. So you go to Osahene.
Yo. Ajwa 𝑓𝑖 then 𝑓𝑖 ajwa 𝑓𝑖 Osahene kan nkuranhye nsɛm agu no so na owia nana abena sechibia de ne abodi nwoma ama no owie no na wofo nso de na wɔn akyɛde de ma no eku a wafi iye moma mo sɛ mo eku afiri iye
Yao, Esamwa, this is water. When you see water, it is water and nothing else.
Yo, yanga nkobia. Esamwa.
Same way, this is alcohol. When you see alcohol, it is alcohol and not water. So your yes should be yes, and your no should be no.
Na owia Osahene kan nkuranhye nsɛm gu no suwia wakoje na bodi nwoma wona na abena sechibia nsɛm na wofo ankobia Esamwa ɔne ne nua meanom nso gyina wɔn akyi Ose ya ukwe hwese obesanga bebi o na wunuanom a wowo Ghana no wabebua won nkuranhye sema Osahene kan na mete na mekan yo oye na abena sechibia na ode na nensaka yo nunuamianom ode ye berima Esamwa etu so na wofo aba
this is water. Anytime you see water, it is water and nothing else.
Ohine yire meba me ka se ni chemeda ohine bi adi ono no abegua mu no ekosi adankwa na eja
same way
on ne yire
this is alcohol. When you see alcohol, it is alcohol and nothing else.
On ne yire
yes
na wogira
ekosi adankwa your no should be no.
Nana yedase
okay, you go to Osahene.
Ina na ompe sen wenya se opare enya ten kwanta dukuru one ne yire ene ne mpanyin na wogina ekosi adankwa echi yo nana abena sechibia musem nana bia ten kwanta dukuru ne yire na audition no o manensa ka yo why ne tu nana yire yedase nana berima oso yedase nana no mpanyin ofi ten kwanta Kronti division na inding ne nana abna sechi bia mo mo sama ne enema bebre akosi ye nana bia na ode ba obi beka sa den nana bia ye doctor wo nwoma so onwo paani o oye nwoma wasu ya nwoma ma onwa ma no doctor mo mo sama no na Samintwatra University funa ewo Virginia no ono ne panyin na ya mu sane me mo musema no na wo ba yi be ka kira mu ne ma aye school mu ne ma won asum de aba ye be che school fo na ye be bonding na ye be ma nankasa aye na biara obe mo musem e bi se enye sika ketewa obi be twa ticket afuo asesa nwoma de abremu wo ba yi wo de se orisuan kwi kasa anunti da wo ba mo na mo nanso orisuan kwi language eti muhu na maka kwi ni kakra.
I love you guys, and you know this. So first, I would like to say to Krontihene Osahene Boafo Ansah III that we are grateful to be here. We are, on behalf of our president, 𝘼𝙧𝙤𝙤𝙤, we thank you for the continued partnership. I want to keep you encouraged for all the hard work you're doing. I thank you for entering in this partnership, which has been strong and continue to grow. We have done, through the partnership with Krontihene, we have done a lot in the last 3 years. And I'm not sure if all of you are aware of all the efforts that are all to benefit you. So with this strong partnership, we have done things like delivered 1,000+ books. We have more books that's traveling over the ocean right now. On behalf of my 12 studious, high-achieving, wonderful students, our Ghana 4 delegation, we have raised a lot of school supplies and some toys for this community, because it's this community that supports our Krontihene Osahene Boafo Ansah III. So I'm going to pray and keep him encouraged to continue the strong works that he is doing for y'all. But I'm going to ask Madasipa that y'all support him in his efforts, because it's not easy. It looks easy, but it's not easy. So we are grateful to be here, and I thank you for accepting my delegation, Ghana 4, 1, 2, and 3, that we brought previously into your community. I feel like this is a part of my community. I am home, and thank you for accepting me. And with that, I have 2 of my students here today, and they are also going to make a presentation, please.
On behalf of Virginia State University, we'd like to thank you for welcoming us into your community. We'd like to thank you for showing us grace, for showing us love, for showing us kindness, and showing us your culture. And we'd like to thank each and every one of your community for showing us that same love back. And so on behalf of President 𝘼𝙧𝙤𝙤 and Ghana cohorts 1, 2, 3, and currently number 4, we would like to present a token of appreciation to you.
It's our hope that the good Lord will replenish what you have lost on us, or what you have spent on us. May God bless you and our ancestors. And into what they are, Nana Krontihene, actually, Nana Befre, Obibiara, Ofata, na Wadede Amano.
I'm very grateful to be called upon to give the vote of thanks. Our first thanks goes to the Almighty for assisting us and bringing us this far. Though it has been raining throughout this afternoon, but through the effort of Nananom, we have been able to come to a successful end. Our next hand goes to our friends, our brothers and sisters from the diaspora. Their donation to the Krontihene division were most graceful. I think with this gesture and then the donation, it also goes a long way to help our students or our pupils in our various schools as well. Our next thanks goes to our teachers who also accompanied the students to this memorable occasion. Our next thanks goes to our elders who also, out of their busy schedules, they were able to come along with us to assist and then to grace the occasion as well. Our next thanks goes to the Sukwa people, or those the drummers as well. And then our final thanks goes to all and sundry who in their diverse ways has also helped and also came in to grace the occasion as well. When the glowing sun rises tomorrow early morning, it is Osahene Boafo Ansah III, and then the elders of Krontihene division. Thanks you all. Thank you.